Good evening, Dr. Abdallah. My name is Jordan Sewe. I'm here to do a brief representation of a spreadsheet. To begin, I'm going to show us what is a row, a column, and a cell. From here, we can see this is what we call a column in Excel, and this is what we call a row. And the intersection between a column and a row is called cell. So this is a table that I type personally, and I'm going to edit it with what I learned from the video that was in the link. So to put a row in bold, or you highlight what you want, then go to Home, press B, and all what is in the highlight is going to be bold. Then if I want to add a color, maybe to the rank, highlight what's the rank, then come to fill color, and as you can see, the color that I chose have been filled in the space highlights. When I want to tabulate my table or my data, I come here, I go to all borders. Then as you can see, the table style has changed and the borders are more visible. In order to, as it was in the video, I have to put all this in underline form. I come here, borders, then I press on outside border. You can see it's more presentable like this. From the video, I also learned how to insert percentage and currency to data. In order for me to insert the currency, I simply highlight where the currency has to be put. I go to currency, select, and I want my currency to be in dollars. As you can see, the currency changed to dollars. I want to calculate the percentage. I also learn about calculation. I'll calculate the percentage between average and worldwide. First of all, I'm going to insert a new column. After that, I do a small calculation. Calculation starts with equal sign, then selecting the cells I need for the calculation. Enter. In order for me to get the value obtained in all other cells, I simply drag, as you can see, and I obtain the values. To put it in percentage, here is the percentage sign. Here I have the percentage of worldwide and overseas. Then to insert the title to my work, I will simply come here, insert row, merge, and select what I need, and I merge and center. Yeah, I'm going to type this in bold and underline. Also, from the video, I learned how to calculate for average, so calculating for average, I go to function bar, where I see function, then I tap average. It's going to show me what average put, select from direct to D12, then press on OK. Here I have the average in dollars. Let's calculate the total. Is simply the sum of all what we have. I press on sum. Okay. Z40. Sum from Z3 to Z14, and I have the total. And I'll do the same. I'll do same for. Then to do the sum of all that is here, I just have to drag it. Here we have the average, and we have the total. And due to time shortage, I'll be unable to show everything, to reproduce everything as it was on the video. So thank you sir for your time.